make ice cream in a bag. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 8 tablespoons of rock salt, 1 sandwich-sized resealable bag, 1 gallon-sized resealable bag, and 1 large bowl of ice cubes.
Flavorings and toppings optional.
Here I am. Hope I'm not too late.
Step 1. Fill the sandwich bag with the milk, sugar, and vanilla. For chocolate ice cream, add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. For strawberry ice cream, add 2 chopped strawberries. For mint chocolate chip ice cream, add 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract and 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. They're in there. You just can't see them.
Please shave some chocolate chips for me.
Step 2. Push out the excess air and seal. Step 3. Fill the larger gallon-sized bag with the ice and rock salt.
Stash it away, you might say.
Step 4. Put the smaller bag inside the larger bag and shake it with all you've got for 7 to 10 minutes. Trade off with a friend if you get tired. Shake, shake, shaky shake. Almost done shaking.
Step 5. Take the smaller bag out of the larger bag and scoop it into 2 bowls.
Step 6. Add your favorite toppings, grab a friend, and dig in. This is really good.
I must ask you for a taste. Get it?
Do the ice cream workout. Shake, 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 shake. I'm shaking. Shake it up. Shake, shake. Keep on shaking. You got this. Keep shaking. Shaking. Shake, shake. Keep on shaking. You got this. Keep shaking. Don't stop shaking. Just a little more shaking. Shake, shake, shake.